Hey everyone, we are going to in, go through the installation instructions of Oracle database in this video, and we are going to choose exploration even though there are plenty of versions of Oracle database available out in the market. But you know why we choose exploration? Just because it's suitable enough for development and small scale testing. So without any further ado, let's just get right into the video and go through the installation steps. Open up your favorite browser, whatever it is, and maybe go through to your favorite search engine, which is Google for mine, and just search for Oracle database 21C expression, possibly with the download keyword at the end. And you're going to go through this first website that appears here. I will post these links in the description as well for your convenience. And once you're up in this, you know, uh, website, you can select the operating system for which your database is going to be installed on. So we are going to select Oracle Database 21C for Windows, and that is of 64-bit. And as soon as we click on that link or open up that link in a new tab, we're going to see the download is being done, and it takes almost like 15 minutes to be done. Alright, now our database has been downloaded. Now that it has been downloaded, let's go into the downloads folder, and there we find a zip file which we just downloaded, which we need to extract. I'm personally using WinRAR since it's been there for a lifetime, and I've been using it since I got to know about computers, I guess. Well, extract it to a different folder, and how the files decompressed. Once they are decompressed, we are going to go through the installation. It doesn't take much time since it's only a 2 GB file. Well, it has been extracted. Now when you open up the extracted folder, you're going to see a list of files, and where you're going to see Oracle database 21c exposition.msi along with that script.exe. You can choose both of them, but in my uh, usage of this Oracle database, and when I try to install various times this Oracle database, I used to encounter a lot of errors when I go through this MSI installer, so that's why I'm going to choose setup this time. When you click on that setup.exe, you're going to see an expression installation wizard, which is describing it to be as Oracle database installation wizard. And then you get to see this new pop-up where you need to click next, accept the terms and conditions along with the license agreement, and then click next. You can choose any other custom folder you want, but I'm just going ahead with the default folder that this wizard has given me. And it asks for your database password, and your username will be either syssystem or pdb admin. You can use any one of those usernames, and all of them will be going to have a same password which you will be writing down here. You can choose a combination of alphabets and numericals. I suggest you to not use any special characters because Oracle tends to use them with a different meaning other than a string literal. I think you're getting what I mean, right? So for this purpose, I'm going to use a small password, but it is never recommended to use a small 4-letter password. You're free to choose whatever password you want to keep. Once you type in your password, you're going to click next, and then confirm your destination folder and everything, and then you're going to click install. It will take a couple of minutes before your Oracle database will be installed successfully. First, it needs to copy all the files, and then it needs to do some sort of configurations to uh, create and run a service for the database. We'll just sit back until this installation gets succeeded, and then we're going to see how this database can be accessed using the SQL plus command line, which will be an added feature with this installation. You can find it once the installation is done. Allow the pop-ups that are being displayed in between the installation so as to make your installation successful, and those are required for the Oracle database to work, right? So it may give you a couple of UAC prompts, user authentication control or user account control prompts. Just click yes through them all and wait throughout the installation to get it succeeded. As you can see, there is a small pop-up, right behind this installation wizard, which kind of shows you the percentage of configuration done for the Oracle database, and it will soon get completed. Right now we are at 7%, and we are hoping to make it to 100%, which will be done soon enough. So this configuration is pretty much mandatory. Oftentimes you get to see this Oracle database installation get stuck, or get hanged up at this configuration stage even after getting completed by 95% of progress. So you need to be careful and be on the lookout for any USC prompts that might appear in front of you. It varies from system to system, so yeah, let's wait it out until this configuration is complete. This configuration is what you know uh, actually clears up the database instructions to make the user sys system or PDB admin with the aforementioned password that you have given in the prompt which the installation has asked for. So once it's done, you're going to successfully access your database using SQL plus command line with the given usernames as well as the password that you have set. can see that there is a progress in here. We just made it to 33% of the installation, and it is kind of taking a little bit of time than expected, but it happens. Based on your system's configuration, it does happen, and it is normal to have this installation be a bit slow since the configuration kind of takes time. And yeah, let's wait it out. Feel free to skip to the part where the installation gets succeeded so that you can continue uh, with the integrity check of the installation using the SQL plus command line. I'll make sure to keep timestamps in the description, if not at the time of upload, but eventually I will do at some point of time. Just make sure to have this video liked and subscribe to our channel so that you're going to get more info about this tech tutorials, installation, how to. Alright, now that you can see the Oracle database has been installed successfully, and you can see the multi-tenant container database which is at localhost, the current system, and the default port for this Oracle database is 1521. Also you can see the pluggable database which is at localhost 1521 port, and the service ID as xcpdb1. Alright, and you can also find the EM Express URL at 5500 port, and which is on localhost as well with an HTTPS service. You can click on finish now, and if you want to start and select for SQL Plus, you can see there will be a new command line opened up where you need to enter your username, which will be system sys or pdb admin for expression. Since we installed expression, I'm going to type in system, which I already did, and I'm going to type in the password, which is invisible to you guys even though I type the password that I set during the installation. And you can see upon entering the correct password, you can then see the last successful login time of the Oracle database, which is today actually January 14th and 1022. Alright, now you can see that we have been connected to Oracle database 21c expression, which therefore confirms that the successful installation of the database, and that is how we do things. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this video was at least informative or helpful in any way whenever you stuck. And as I already said, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share this if it has been of any help. And we are going to post likely many of these tech tutorials or installation videos in our channel soon enough. So yeah, thanks for watching, and peace out.